finally here. Throughout the past 3 years of our life, we have overcome some major obstacles. The obstacles that we have overcame made our relationship stronger and unbreakable. I am so thankful that I had you by my side every step of the way. You are an amazing woman who is strong, talented, beautiful, and caring.
Oh my God.
I did it! I made him cry!
The qualities that you possess will make you an incredible wife and even better mother to our future children. When thinking about our future, I get goosebumps, not because I'm scared, but because I'm lucky to have you by my side. There is nothing that we cannot accomplish together in this journey called life. I love you so much, and I'm proud to call you my wife. Love, Christopher.
Now that you have stated your intentions to be joined in matrimony and have exchanged the symbols of your love in the presence of all your loving family and friends, may you honor the stated commitment with the same love and devotion that brought you here today. I am thrilled to declare that at this moment you are husband and wife and joined as one in matrimony. You may now kiss the bride.
This feeling I can't describe. There's magic in the air, the world has come alive. And when I see you, you make my pulse rise. I never knew that I could be so hypnotized. There's something in your touch, baby, the way your body's moving me. And I don't know where this soul will go. Oh no. Can't find my feet. If I don't try now, the chance will slip away. I'll bury all my